Hi guys, welcome back to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today I will be showing you guys how to do Jamaican beef patty, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I'll be starting off with the dough. So for this you need 1 tablespoon of curry powder or turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 cups of butter, and then combine the flour and the butter together. And ice cold water. Place dough in a plastic bag or a plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to chill. Oil, ground beef, peppers, scallion, garlic, and onion, breadcrumbs, chicken season, all-purpose season,